Hello, today we will guide you through how to find and replace text in PDF XChange Editor. To begin, open PDF XChange Editor on your computer. Make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open, or open it once the program launches. Starting here gives you access to the document so you can search through its contents quickly and make text changes more efficiently. Next, open the search function. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and F on your keyboard, or by clicking the search bar at the top right of the window. Both options take you to the same place, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. The keyboard shortcut is often the fastest method, especially if you use search tools regularly. Once the search area is active, type in Find and Replace. This helps locate the specific tool inside PDF XChange Editor. If you are not seeing the option right away, typing the feature name can save time and help you jump directly to the command you need instead of browsing through menus manually. When the Find and Replace option appears, click on it to open the tool. This is the feature that allows you to search for one word or phrase and substitute it with another. It is especially useful when you need to correct repeated text, update labels, or make the same change throughout a document without editing each instance one by one. After the tool opens, enter the sample text you want to find in the appropriate field. This should be the exact word, phrase, or text string currently appearing in the PDF. Try to enter it carefully so the search returns the correct matches. If the wording is inconsistent in the document, results may vary, so it helps to double-check the text before continuing. Then enter the sample text you want to replace it with in the replacement field. This is the new text that will be used instead of the original. Be sure to review your replacement text for spelling, capitalization, and formatting, so the update appears exactly as intended. At this stage, you'll have the Find and Replace tool set up and ready to use inside PDF XChange Editor. Take a moment to review both fields before moving forward, since even a small typo can affect multiple results in the document. This simple process can make large text updates much faster and more accurate when working with PDFs. That's how to find and replace text in PDF XChange Editor.